Just take some deep breaths.
I'm trying. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be.
You're okay.
I am trying to breathe.
Hello, I'm Officer Picard with Jupiter Police Department. I pulled you over because you're driving without headlights on.
Oh my gosh, are they not on?
No, and you're kind of going fast and swerving, so...
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
What's going on?
No, I thought they were on auto. They usually are.
Okay. Before reaching for anything, are there any weapons or drugs in the car?
No, absolutely not.
Okay. I need your insurance and registration as well.
I don't want to rip it.
Where are you coming from?
Just from in town, I was at Walmart.
Okay. Where'd you go after Walmart?
I was just at Walmart.
Alright, because I followed you out of the Jupiter West Plaza. Or like Uncle Mix's, Panera, not where Walmart's at.
I went to Panera.
Why didn't you just say that?
I'm sorry, I just went to multiple places. I'm sorry, you have me very scared right now.
No worries. I need your valid one. This one's expired. Is this your vehicle?
It's my parents.
Okay.
Is that one?
Yep. Alright, just be honest with me. Were you drinking tonight?
I had like 2 drinks, yeah.
Okay, I'll be right back. Can you just shut the car off for me? I'm sorry.
Of course, yeah.
Thank you. Alright, can you just step out of the car for me?
Yeah.
I'm just going to have you come back here and talk to you a little bit more.
Okay.
Alright, so what time did you get to Uncle Mix? 7. Okay. And you only had 2 drinks. Did you eat Panera after? Or did you not?
I had Panera before.
Okay. Alright. So you just told me you were drinking. You're from a bar, coming from a bar. I just want to see if you would do some tasks for me to know that you're okay to drive home.
Okay, that's fine. I'm sorry, I'm like...
No need to be worried. I just want to make sure you're safe to drive home.
Yeah, of course.
Alright, if you want to take your shoes off, you're going to be a lot more comfortable without those on.
Okay.
Can you turn your spotlight on? Or, actually I'll just move mine to... I can just move mine and have her stand right here. You can just stand right there. Do you want to take your sunglasses off as well?
Should I put them in the car?
You can just set them on there. That's fine. You see this white line? Would you agree that this road is level?
Yeah.
You can stand on it. You can face me. Do you have any physical defects or disabilities?
I have PTSD.
Okay. Do you have any problems with your eyes?
I have contacts.
Okay. Are you sick or injured?
Not at the moment, no.
Are you under the care of a doctor or dentist?
No. I mean, I have a PCP, but...
Okay. And are you taking any medications or drugs?
I mean, I have my regular medications,
Okay.
and then I have a broken shoulder.
Okay, what are the regular medications? When did you take the last medication for your shoulder?
Probably about 3 hours ago. I'm supposed to take it every 6 hours.
Okay, so I'm just going to have you stand together with your ears and toes touching, arms at your side like this. I'm going to check your eyes. I'm going to have you keep your head still and follow the stimulus with your eyes only. The stimulus is going to be the silver part of my pen. Do you see that?
Yes.
Okay, so do not move your head.
Okay.
Just your eyes. Do you understand? I'll give you a rest for a second. All right, I'm going to do it again.
Okay.
Okay, give you a break again. All right. Now I'm going to go up and down with it, okay?
Okay. Far from my head, but...
Yeah, it's okay. All right, I'm going to redo, okay?
Okay.
Just try to look at it as best you can.
Okay. Try not to move my head, that's why.
Alright, this next one, I'm going to have you place your left foot on the line and place your right foot in front of your left foot. And with the heel of your foot touching the toe with the heel of your right foot touching the toe of your left. You're going to keep your arms at your sides, so you're going to look like this. See? Alright. Remain in this position until I tell you to begin. Do you understand?
Okay.
When I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps along the line, looking down at your feet and counting each step out loud.
Okay.
There's not a lot of room here, but...
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, can you go back?
Backwards?
Yeah, you don't have to walk backwards, just go back to where I told you to stand.
Where am I standing?
Right there is fine. Do you remember what I told you?
1.
No. You can go back, just stand there. Do you remember what I told you, or do you want me to repeat the instructions for you?
Can you repeat? I'm like so anxious.
Yes, of course. No worries. There's no need to be
have
nervous.
A panic attack.
Alright, I'll repeat the instructions. So I'm going to have you place your left foot on the line.
Yes.
You're going to place your right foot in front of your left foot.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Okay, you're going to have the heel of your right foot touching the toe of your left foot. And you're going to keep your arms at your sides like this. So how you're doing is perfect, okay?
Okay.
You're going to remain in this position until I tell you to begin. Do you understand?
Okay.
Okay. When I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps along the line, looking down at your feet and counting each step out loud. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on until 9. Okay?
You want me to wait?
Yes. All right. On the 9th step, you're going to have your lead foot on the line and turn around by taking the series of small steps with the other foot. So you're going to look like this. I'll read the instructions to you and then I'll demonstrate it. Because it's kind of loud.
9 steps and then you said turn around?
Yep. So on the 9th step, you're going to leave your front foot on the line and turn around by taking the series of small steps with your other foot. Okay? I'll read the next part and then I'll demonstrate the whole thing for you, okay?
A small series of how many steps though?
How many ever you want. So I'll show you. I'll demonstrate it for you, okay? And then you're going to return back down the line, taking 9 heel-to-toe steps, looking down at your feet and counting each step out loud. So I'm going to demonstrate for you, okay? So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, so on until 9, okay? You're going to do 9. I'm just doing 3 to show you right now.
Yeah.
So this is how you're going to turn. You're going to leave this foot on the line and take a series of small steps like that, okay?
To pivot.
Yep, leaving this foot on the line. Okay, and then you're going to return back down the line doing 9 steps, but I'm going to do 3. 1, 2, 3.
Down the line, right?
Yep, so when you're turned, you're going to go back down that way, okay?
1,
Hold on 1 second.
2.
Go back to the starting position. Alright, while you're walking, watch your feet at all times. Keep your arms at your side. Count each step out loud. And once you have started walking, do not stop until the task is complete. Do you understand?
For the most part, I think.
Okay, do you have any questions?
I guess just when I turn around is confusing. 9 steps back or just the pivot is confusing.
Yeah, so you're going to do 9 steps down the line. On your 9th step, you're going to turn around. So you're going to have your front foot like this.
Yeah, and then just pivot around.
And then
how many steps do you want me to do the other way?
9. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hold on. I got to tell you to begin. All right, so go back in the starting position. You can begin.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then right in front of left? Does it matter?
However you remember the instructions.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. All right, so this next one, I'm going to have you stand with your feet together. You can face me, so it's easier. I'm going to have you stand with your feet together, heels and toes touching, arms at your side like this. Okay? Remain in this position while I explain the task. Do you understand? Yes? You understand?
Do I have to look at my feet? I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm going to go over all the instructions with you. I'm just asking if you understand to remain in that position until I tell you to begin. Okay. So when I tell you to begin, you're going to raise one leg, whichever leg you want. I'll wait till they go by. So you're going to raise one leg, whichever one you want, approximately 6 inches off the ground. You're going to keep both legs straight, arms at your side, look down at your elevated foot, and point your toes so your foot is parallel with the ground. So you're going to look like this. Okay? But you can pick whatever leg you want.
Not knee bent.
Right, everything straight, exactly how I am.
Okay.
And your toe with your toe pointed.
Okay.
Okay?
How long? I'm sorry.
So I'm going to go over it, okay?
Okay.
Maintaining this position, you're going to count out loud in the following manner: 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. So you're going to do it until I say stop. So you're going to be like 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on, okay?
1001, 1002.
You can put your foot down until I tell you to begin. No worries. Can you stand how I told you to in the beginning? Feet more together. All right, perfect. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, do you have any questions?
Just until you say stop.
Right. Okay, you can begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005.
Look at your foot.
What?
Look at your foot.
1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1000, or 10,000. I don't know.
Until I tell you to stop.
Or 11,000, 12,000, 13,000.
You can stop. Next one, I'm going to have you stand with your feet together, heels and toes touching, arms at your side, with your index fingers extended, palms facing out. So you're going to look like this. Can you close your fingers? Perfect. Okay. Remain in this position until I tell you to begin. You understand? Do you know your left from your right?
Yes.
Okay. Raise your right hand and your left. Okay. When I tell you to begin, you're going to tilt your head back and close your eyes.
Okay.
I will call left or right. When I do, touch the tip of your finger to the tip of your nose immediately and return your hand down to your side.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the pad of your finger. This is the side. And this is the tip. I want you to touch the tip of your finger to the tip of your nose.
Okay.
So you're going to be standing like that. And I'm going to call, your head is going to be down, and you're going to touch the tip of your finger to the tip of your nose. This is how I want it. Do you understand? Do you have any questions? You can close your eyes and tilt your head back. Left. Put your hand down. Right. Okay, you can put your hand down. Left. Okay, you can put your hand down. Right. Okay, you can put your hand down. Right. Okay, you can put your hand down. And left. Okay, you can put your hand down. Alright, you can open your eyes. I'm going to have you stand again with your feet together, heels and toes touching, arms at your side. And you're going to remain in this position until I tell you to begin. Do you understand? So perfect, just like that. What's your highest level of education?
I was in 2 years of grad school.
Okay. Are you comfortable reciting the alphabet from A to Z?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to have you do that, but when I tell you to begin, you're going to tilt your head back and close your eyes.
Okay.
Okay. Maintaining this position, recite the entire alphabet from A to Z in a slow, non-rhythmic manner. So it's going to be like A, B, C. Like, don't sing it, the song. Just do it like that, okay? Do you understand? Mm-hmm. Do you have any questions?
Nope.
Okay, you can tilt your head back and begin.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, U, V, W, X, Y.
Okay, you're under arrest for DUI. You can walk back to my car. Right here. I'm gonna pat you down, okay?
Is this not?
It is, ma'am. Okay. Do you have any weapons or drugs on you? Can you answer me, please?
No, please
Okay.
don't do this.
Okay. So I'm gonna pat you down, okay? Spread your legs, please. Do you only have the earrings in your ears? No other piercings that I can't see?
Please don't do this to me. I'm gonna lose everything. I'm not wasted or any.
Okay, I'm gonna have to take all your jewelry off. Do you want me to put it back in your car? Your car's gonna get towed. Is the Hope one elastic too?
Yeah.
Okay. Just don't want to pull it and break it. No other piercings you said?
No. Just my ears.
Okay. Alright, you can have a seat. Are you okay if we put your stuff in your car?
Is it gonna? I don't know. If it's gonna
So your
be-
car's gonna get towed, everything in it is gonna be inventory. What would you like me to bring to the jail with you?
My cell phone, which is in my car.
Okay.
My Apple Watch.
Okay.
And that's pretty much it.
7-5, probably.
I'll be right back. Thank you.
Put your jewelry.
Like 718 DMC trucks carrying 22 on the main here.
Route 22 miles away just south of the University. 31 around the corner.
I gotta read something to you, okay? Alright? Are you okay?
You're ruining my life now. I'm not okay. I have PTSD. I can't be handcuffed. This is
Okay,
making me freak out. I'm sorry. I'm not
It's okay.
trying
It's
to.
okay. Alright.
My PTSD is just kicking in, and I can't.
Do you want fire rescue to come check you out?
No.
Just take some deep breaths.
I'm trying. I'm sorry. I'm
There's
sorry.
nothing
I'm
to
not
apologize.
trying to be.
You're okay.
I'm trying to breathe. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
Good. Alright, I'll give you a second. Calm down. Alright, you okay? Can I read this to you now?
I'm sorry.
Don't
I'm so
apologize.
sorry.
It's okay.
Can
Alright, I'm gonna read this to you, okay?
I at least put my shoes or something?
Yeah, I have your shoes. Do you want them on in here? I'll grab them for you in a sec, alright? I'm now requesting you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining the alcohol content. Will you submit?
I mean, I don't really have a choice, right?
You do. It's either yes or no.
I mean, sure.
Okay.
I mean, what if I say no?
I can read you implied consent, which is if you say no, would you like me to do that, or do you want to just keep your answer yes?
Well, what's the difference?
Okay, so if you say no, if you fail to submit to the test I've requested of you, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privilege has previously been suspended for refusing to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, Additionally, if you refuse to submit to the test I've requested of you, and if your driving privilege has previously been suspended or a prior refusal to submit to a lawful... You want to give breath?
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't want to.
Alright. Can you hold that and I'll seatbelt her in? I'm just going to seatbelt you in, okay? I'm sorry, what did you say?
2200.
So I asked you if you had any injuries, physical defects, if you were sick, and you answered no to all of those questions. So if you had that, you would have told me that prior to us doing those tasks, right? That's fine. Like, just why didn't you tell me that when I asked you?
When I broke my shoulder, I hit my head.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I asked and you didn't tell me that to begin with.
I'm also in shock right now.
I understand.
You said 8 hours. How am I supposed to have all this?
I'm sorry? Well, you'll get a phone call so you can ask. You have a phone call, and you also have your cell phone that you can use once they release you to get a ride? No, but once you get out, you could.
What if I use a call and they don't answer?
I don't think it's like you only get one call. I'm not 100% sure though. So you'll just have to... I'm sure you can leave a voicemail and then call back, or if they call back, they'll like let you talk to them. I have no idea, honestly. You were driving with no headlights on. You were kind of swerving. You were drinking. So what happens if you hit someone and kill someone, or you die?
No, I completely get like the no headlights. They're usually on auto, and I don't know why they were changed. My boyfriend drove my car last night, so I don't know if he changed it, but they're always on auto, so I don't pay attention to them.
Right. But even if the headlights were on, you're still driving impaired. You only had 2 beers?
What?
Everyone tells me they only had 2 beers. How many beers did you actually have?
Like 3.
How many shots?